This is my full guide on how to use DeepSeek on mobile. First, head to the Apple Store or Google Play Store and search for DeepSeek. It should be on the top. And just click Get or Open if you already have it here. You can log in using your Apple ID or your Google ID. It is completely free, so don't worry. Once you log in, you're going to be presented with something like this. If you ever use ChatGPT, it's very similar, but if you haven't, you just speak to it as if you were speaking to an assistant human. For example, I'm going to type in how many planets are there in our solar system, and it's going to give me a very fast response. It's quicker than ChatGPT by quite a bit. Under the response, you're going to see 4 icons. On the far left, we have the copy icon, which just copies it to your clipboard. We have the remake icon, which I'll press now, and it will remake the response. If you remake the response, it will not be exactly the same. It will go through a similar system. The response will be similar, but not the same. And here I'm going to test the DeepThink. So what is this? This basically helps with coding or math related issues. I'm going to type in what is the square root of pi. I have no idea what the answer to this is, by the way. I'm just testing it out. And you can see here that it thinks through the problem very logically, and it tells you what it is thinking about. It is very interesting to read if you're into that kind of thing. It is also very good if you're trying to code. Here I'm going to press the search button, and what it's going to do is it's going to search through different websites in real time. If you want any kind of current information like stock prices or price of gold. Unfortunately, the server seemed to be down when I did this. However, this worked earlier today for me, so it should be working when you watch this video. Now, I'm going to try to upload a picture from my camera. I apologize for how dirty my desk is, but I'm going to upload a picture of a eye drop in Japanese to see if it can read what's on the bottle. It works like a normal camera. You take a photo and then you write what you want it to do with the photo. I'm going to ask, what does this say? And see what the response is. This is pretty useful if you're trying to read something or identify a language that you cannot speak. Unfortunately, this isn't as good as ChatGPT. It misidentified the language as Chinese when it in fact is Japanese. I live in Tokyo. However, this could be useful and it will definitely improve over time. You can also upload photos from your library, and you can upload documents from your phone if you want to, including text files and Excel spreadsheets. And that is it. If you like this video, please subscribe.